Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jada. I'm 22 years old and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related videos. So while you're here, be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And if you guys are returning, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take you guys through the process of taking out my distress locks. I've had these in for a little bit over 2 months now, and it's finally time for me to take them down. Time for something new. Absolutely love them. They're beautiful, they're super long, and they just look really good on me. But it's time to say goodbye. I have a hair appointment tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these down, do my little natural hair care routine, and prep my hair for tomorrow's hairstyle. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, or if you have distress locks in your hair that you are about to take down, be sure to continue watching. Also be sure to like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and follow me on Instagram if you guys have any questions. So without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into the video, try and get these locks down as quickly as possible. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but all through my intro, I had this one lock already cut. I started to take them out, and then I was like, let me film me doing this process. So I already had cut one. So basically all you need for this process is a pair of scissors and a comb. You really don't even need the comb if you don't have braids in. So normally with the distress locks, your hair is braided up underneath and they wrap it individually. But in this style, my hair isn't braided, my hair is loose, so I really don't need the comb. But for those of you guys that do have braids under your distress locks, it is important to have a comb to comb out that braid. And then I always use a plastic bag just to put the hair in so it's not all over the floor. But we're just gonna hop right into this process. What you begin doing is cutting your lock. If they're super long, just cut them to like the estimated length of your hair. I always like to overestimate, you know, manifest that hair length. So I keep them like generally long, not super long, but like a good length, just so I make sure I don't cut my hair. But once you do this, with these, I'm just going to pull down the extra hair that's wrapped around. So just pull it down and make sure you can get all of that out. So just pull it until it comes all the way out to the end. There is a much easier way of doing this. I'll show you guys both ways. But so you just want to unwrap the part that is wrapped around and just like pull it down as far as it can go. It won't always come all the way out, but do that. And then you just continue to unravel it. You see, it's literally just wrapped around. So just unravel it all the way to the top. And then I see my hair, this is my hair right here. So just gonna continue to unravel until I can get the whole lock slid out of my hair. So now we're just going to pull this apart, and then the lock is out. That easy. So this is the front of my hair. It's very gross. You see all that buildup in there. So I'm gonna make sure I wash all that out. So that is the first lock that's taken out. And then if you guys do have your braids underneath your locks, the easiest way to do that in that case is to cut it like normal. So I'm gonna cut it about right here. And then it's easy to just unwrap it until you see your braid, and then once you see your braid, you'll pull it out, and then you'll do the rest of the process that I'm doing. So I'm gonna take out a few more of these on camera, and then I'm gonna do a time lapse while I'll take these out, drink my little smoothie that I just made, and catch up on some YouTube videos. And then I'll catch up with you guys after I get all of the locks out of my head. So again, just pull and then unravel until you get to the top. Pull and unravel. All the way till you get to the top. So these are really easy to take out, like take no time. I'm gonna set like I'm gonna tell you guys the time after I get this one out, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys once I'm done, and I'll let you guys know what time it is. And then just like that, the hair is out. So that is lock number 2. Dirty buildup, disgusting. It's mostly like edge control and oils and stuff. Like my hands are super greasy, but that is the simplest way to get out these locks. I'm going to actually put this side away, and then I'm going to cut all of these so I can just go straight down the line. I actually took one out in the back just to make sure I still had it, make sure I still knew how to take these down. But this is my hair length in the back. Y'all know y'all gotta manifest that hair growth. Like, you don't want to cut yourself short. So I'm gonna like cut it to like right here, like so. This is actually cute. This is like a length that people have now, like the butterfly locks. People be having this length. I had this length before with my butterfly locks. And I'm gonna take out one more with y'all. So we're gonna go for this one. And like I said, you just start at the bottom. Never start from the top unless you have that braid like I was talking about. And you just wanna unravel and then pull apart. Some of them are going to be harder than others, of course, but the overall process is very simple. See, like this one isn't letting me pull it apart. I'm gonna actually cut this one more time right here. So pull it down, pull it down. Okay, now unravel until you can't unravel anymore, like so. And I have a mirror over here that I'm looking at, so just pull it all the way apart until you can't unravel it no more. It's me thinking that I was about to eat this muffin while doing my hair. I have a whole muffin over here that I thought I was about to eat. I'm not even gonna do it. I'll wait till I'm done. So and then once you get to the top, you just slide the hair right on out. See, this one still has some stuck in there. You just pull it out, and then there is my third piece of hair. And this one is really dirty, so I'm just gonna pull it apart at the top. So it's just built up from grease and edge control, and everything that I put in my hair is just built up at the root. So that's why I'm gonna give this a good little deep clean at the end, and I'm gonna have my natural hair back out for a little bit. So yeah, so that is the main process of taking out your locks. I'm going to time lapse it as I take out the rest of this side and watch some YouTube, drink my little smoothie, and then I will get back to you guys. Okay y'all, so we got side one down and my hair has grown so much. Like, I'm so happy. Look, you want to wear my hair out, but I hate wearing my hair out because I hate having to do it. So I'd rather have braids or like a ponytail or something that I don't really have to deal with for a while. But side one is down. Check out my hair. I have a whole lot of buildup, so I'm excited to wash my hair and have a clean scalp. But I went ahead and cut this so I can get started on this side. But I'm about to go ahead and take this out. I'll take out the first one on camera just so you guys can see again. So you just want to unravel like so, and then sometimes the unravel gets like tangled, so you just pull it apart like so, and then you just continue to pull it apart, and then you unravel till you can't anymore. So and then sometimes you can just pull it apart. So unravel, pull apart, unravel, these things were wrapped literally so tight. The girl that did my hair did a great job on my locks. They were tightly wrapped, like super tight, and some of them are hard to take out, but in the end I'm happy because my locks weren't unraveling and they stayed put the whole time I've had these in. So these literally lasted me for 2 months, and I would have kept them in if my hair didn't grow so fast, but that's a good thing that my hair grew. So, and then once you get to the top, you can start pulling it apart because it's about ready for your hair to come out. So pull it, wrap it around, unravel, and then pull it right out. So this is piece number 1, and then we're gonna get into this side, and then I'll come back on camera when I'm all done. Hey guys, so I am done with my hair. This side took a lot longer than the other side did because I did take a few pauses, but also I was just unraveling it the wrong way and doing crazy stuff. So it is 4:30 now, so that took a bit longer than I expected, but it's all out now and I'm happy. I feel free. My hair moves, my hair grew. But that is going to be the conclusion of this video. I'm literally just about to clean up because there's hair everywhere, and then I'm going to shampoo my hair, deep condition, a little treatment, and blow dry my hair before I get it done tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got a little insight of how to take out your distress locks, and I hope you guys learned something. But be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also be sure to comment, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and follow me on Instagram to see my photos. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time I upload.